Hello, welcome to Happy Hour. I want to say thank you so much for being here. We are growing in our subscribership, so thank you so much for sharing and liking the channel. If you have anybody that's interested in cocktails, we're here every Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. Send us on over to them and maybe they will join us. Anyway, I also want to give a shout out. On this coming Monday, let's see, on the 4th, October 4th, Grandma Mimi, I'm shouting out to you, Grandma Mimi, happy birthday. Grandma turns 91. I don't think she'd be mad at me sharing her age because, like, that's a huge accomplishment. So,
happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Grandma Mimi. We love you so much. Okay, let's get started. So we have made a couple of whiskey sours on our channel before. I am not a huge fan of ordering a whiskey sour at a restaurant because many a times when they serve that, that egg smell is so powerful. But the way we're gonna make this one, I think it's going to mute that smell and aroma and bring out the whole cocktail together. So we're gonna try it here. And we're gonna do something that's called, what's it called? A reverse shake. So we're going to add the egg white at the end without the ice. So you're gonna see how we're gonna do that here. It's kind of cool. So this is our first time making it, so bear with us. All right, we're gonna start with the liquors and wet ingredients first. So we're gonna start with our whiskey. We're using a sour mash whiskey, Tennessee. We're gonna do 2 ounces of that. Oh, let me grab my little, just kidding. I'm gonna grab this one. This is the one Grant likes to use anyway. So 2 ounces of your whiskey. If you have a different kind of whiskey that you like to use, feel free to use that since we're not serving the whiskey neat and we're mixing. You have a little bit more freestyle. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. So I'm gonna kind of measure this, but kind of just squeeze 2. So we'll see. I just want to make sure we have enough. So we're going to use both halves of the lemon. Did I say lime before? I meant lemon. If I said lime, I meant lemon. 3/4 ounce of lemon. It is going to be a different flavor entirely if you use lime. Ooh, don't do that. Stick with the lemon. Ooh, that lemon smells really good. Okay, there is that. 3/4 ounce of the simple syrup. If you like it sweeter, add in more. But for the first time making it, stick with the 3/4 ounce and see how you like it. All right, there are those ingredients. We're gonna leave out the egg for right now and add that in after. You'll see. So let's add our ice in. Ooh, it smells great already. This is where Tiki normally dances. Okay. So we're gonna strain this into a glass, and you can double strain this if you like, or single strain it. We're gonna single strain today. And if you use a regular white sugar simple syrup, it is going to be lighter in color. But we like to use the Demerara simple syrup, so ours is a little darker in color. All right, dump this ice out. We're just gonna use the same ice since we're not gonna use this again. And we're gonna add in our egg. I'm using a cute little egg separator. If you are good at using the egg shells, feel free to do that. I like this cute little tool, so I'm going to use that. Look at that. Bloop. All right, that kind of looks like snot. Bloop. There we go. All right, so we're gonna set this aside. There's that. We're gonna add back in our wet ingredients, our cocktail, and we're gonna shake all of this together. Now here's the ticket. This is the key component to making this ultra frothy. If you have a shaker bottle or use this for your protein shakes or on-the-go shakes, this is what you're gonna grab. Bloop. in that goes. Pop our lid on. Oh, it sounds so different. You can actually feel it get frothy in the cup, in the mixing cup. And I feel like you gotta vigorously shake this in order to get that. Oh yeah, you can really feel it. It's getting thick and foamy. Okay, ooh, that gives you an arm workout. Okay, let me let my hands warm up. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna use our strainer again into our martini glass. You can use a coupe glass. I'm going to, it's really full. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're not done yet. Wow, that's pretty. You can see it's coming up to the top too. The foam is starting to settle at the top. Okay, so here's what we're gonna top it with. You could use Angostura bitters, but today I'm gonna use the crude small batch bitters because I have a little dropper in these. So this one's gonna be the Lindsay, which is pecan, magnolia, and habanero. We're gonna drop a couple right on top for flavor. Oh, it looks like it's gonna sink in and then the color stays. I'm gonna do one more. Oh, that's pretty. Can you see this?
How do I do this? Put it down.
Can you see that? Yeah. And then if you wanted to, you could add a little design like that. Just a little one. Now you can garnish with a lemon. I'm not going to on this one. Oh, I'm so excited to taste this. Okay, you ready? That is perfect. That foam level at the top is so perfect. Okay. Ah, mission accomplished. It doesn't smell eggy. Yes. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Really, mission accomplished. Ta-da! This worked so well. Oh my gosh. I don't ever see it done like this at a bar. Not that I'm at a bar every night, but anytime I order it, it always smells like raw egg. I don't like that smell. But this is awesome. Leslie, you have to try this. You'll have to make this. If you like a whiskey sour, you can use a rye whiskey, you can use a sour mash. You are mixing it. Wow, is that so good? Do the egg white, but you have to go get, if you don't have a shaker, you need to go get this, order this. This makes a world of difference, and you can really feel it get foamy inside your shaker glass. Thank you guys so much. Happy birthday, Grandma Mimi, for tuning in today. Let's everybody wish her a happy birthday in the comments. She would love that. Tune in next Sunday. We are going to be doing some experimenting with next Sundays. We're going to be doing some cold foam. So you Vitamixers out there, we're going to be using the air container. Baby Booties is giving his 2 cents too. So be sure to tune in next Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. Thank you guys so much, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe. We're working hard to grow our channel. See you next week.